What's up, YouTube? It's your boy KO, man, back with another video. Man, I just want to give y'all an update on my trading journey. Man, tell y'all my second biggest win I done made, man. $3,000 in 6 hours. It's crazy. It's getting crazy, man. Getting scary and getting crazy. But, man, let's start this video, man. So, it's my third week in the stock market. And as of right now, I've been in the stock market 4 months. But my second biggest win was like my third weekend. So, I done got my account to like $2,000 now from $250. If you watched my first video. So I'm at like 2,000. I'm feeling good. New week come Monday. Remember, Monday always sets the tone for trading. So Monday come. I'm feeling good. I'm at like 2,000. I invested like $500 into whole shares that pay dividends. So feeling good. So I asked my homeboy, I say, what's up, man? What we messing with this week? He said he don't know. I said, well, I want to mess back with Apple and SPY. That's what I hit my last lick off of. So I want to go back. So he said, okay, we can mess with Apple and SPY. We mess with Apple and SPY. So my account like $2,000. I got like 500 invested in whole shares. So I got like 1,500 I can spend. So I'm hooked now. I done won 1,500 last week, so I'm hooked. So I get 2 calls for SPY, 2 puts. Puts is going down. You're predicting the market is going to go down. So I got 2 puts for SPY. Both of them puts together probably was about 600-700. Then I got a put for Apple. That probably was about 300-400. So now I spent $1,100 on 3 puts. So I'm waiting on the market to open up. The market opened at 9:30. I put all my puts in at 10 o'clock. 3 puts. Driving. I'm at work driving the garbage truck. I'm a garbage truck man, so I'm driving the garbage truck. I got my trades in. Man, trades going up. Going up. I'm like, okay, I'm driving. I'm trying to focus. I got my phone propped up, watching the stock market. I'm driving. Stock market, trades going up. Going up. When I say, I'm like, wow, this is crazy. I look up. I'm more than 1,500 up. I'm like, wow, this is crazy. It's only my third week trading. End of the day, trading day, I let it ride out all day. End of the day, the market kept falling. End of the day, I'm up $3,000. I close out. You sitting here and tell me I just made $3,000 in 6 hours while driving a garbage truck. If I can do this, you can do this. I'm not going to say it's easy. I've always been a math number guy. I always like the charts and graphs, but it's definitely something you can learn. Sitting at home broke, worried about where the next money going to come from, start looking into the stock market. I wouldn't say, do what I did. I bet 1,100. I only had 1,500 buying power. I spent $1,100. I'm a risk taker, so I take risks. I went all in, kind of. Not all in, but a couple videos later, I'm tell you how it kind of bit me in the ass, but yeah. Take it slow. Scale your account. $100 win a day, $50 wins a day. Just get your feet wet. Open you up a Robinhood account. If you don't got one, click on the link in the description. Open you up a Robinhood account. You get you a free share. And, just play around with the app. Start investing. Start putting money on the app. Start watching YouTube videos on stocks and the stock market. It's worth it. I'm telling you. If I can do this, you can do this. I'm a garbage man. And look, here go the proof that when I made $3,000 in one day, you look at this screenshot right here, while driving a garbage truck. Now, if y'all see that little old guy down there in the bottom right corner, that's my man's Myron Golden. Famous author, bestseller, motivational speaker, financial guru. Man, he got this book called From the Trash Man to the Cash Man. This book changed my life. Make you really, appreciate money, and not appreciate it, but look at money a different way. So if you want this book and you want to check this out, this book definitely changed my life. Hopefully, it might change one of y'all's. Link in the description. But I'm telling you, you cannot keep going home from work, watching Netflix, chilling, getting back up, going back to work, doing the same thing and wonder why I'm not getting nowhere in life. You got to do something different. You got to. So, and I'm telling you, the stock market might be it. Check it out. It might be it. I know it's it for me. I'm 4 months in, account growing, I'm scaling, and stock market been the best thing that ever happened to me. Trading options. And I'm still beginning. I'm learning every day. I learn new stuff every day. I'm still doing homework. I'm still trying to learn everything I can, but what's in life not hard? I wait. Everything is hard. You got to learn how to do stuff. So, man, if you're watching this video, leave a comment, like and subscribe, and hope you watch the next video that'll be coming. But I'm telling you, check it out, man. If I can do the stock market, you can do the stock market. Y'all have a good day, man. It's K. I'm out, man. Trash the Trader.